Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make the most delicious and stress-free Ghanaian Shito. Super easy, guys. Please stay tuned and let's get started. For this recipe, I'll be using onions, lots of them, okay? I have some all-purpose seasonings. I have some fresh ginger. I have chili powder, some dry rosemary, and my pepper flakes. I have my garlic. I have a whole smoked prawns, some fish powder, and I have some oil which is infused with fish. We'll start off by adding onion, garlic, ginger, and dry rosemary, okay? And add in some oil, then we'll go ahead to blend it off camera, okay? If you're new to this channel, Akwaba to you, okay? And please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell notification so that whenever I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. So after blending it off camera, this is just half of it, okay? And now we'll add in the second part. We'll give it a little stir, okay? Next is to pour my smoked prawns into my food processor, okay? So the reason I'm using the food processor is because I like my Shito to have some chunks in it, okay? So that's why I'm using the food processor to blend my prawns. Next, we'll add in enough oil to my pan and allow it to heat up. We'll pour my garlic, ginger, onion, and my dry rosemary mixture into my oil. Then we'll stir it nicely, okay? Please make sure your heat is not too high, okay? Or else it's going to burn. And also you make sure you keep stirring, okay? Because it might stick to the bottom and burn. So this have been frying for about 50 minutes and you can see that the texture has changed. We'll add in some bay leaves and stir very well. Then goes in my chili powder, my pepper flakes. After, we'll give it a nice stir, okay? Then cover and allow it to cook for additional 20 minutes, okay guys? So after 20 minutes, we'll go ahead to add in my fish powder and some herrings and my blended smoked prawns, okay guys? Then give it a nice stir. I would like to say a very big thank you to my new and returning subscribers for the amazing support. You guys are so amazing. Thank you so much and God bless you all. Add more oil if needed. After 10 minutes, we'll go ahead to add in my seasoning, which is the all-purpose seasoning. Okay, you can use any seasoning you prefer. Add in some salt to taste. You can always adjust to your taste, okay, and stir it. This is a stress-free Shito, okay? Super easy and delicious. So guys, our Shito is ready. Looks so delicious and very tasty. What are you going to pair this Shito with? Is it your kenke, some wache, or some fried yam? Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, please stay blessed. Bye.